Thank you for calling Porsche of North Scottsdale. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'd like to bring my Cayenne in for its yearly maintenance.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help with that. Let me pull up your account from the number you're calling from. I'm showing Catherine Whitfield, and it looks like you have a 2024 Cayenne Coupe on file. Is that the vehicle?
Yes, that's the one.
Perfect. And is this just the standard annual service, or is there something specific you've noticed?
Just the annual, really. I just want to stay on top of it.
Smart approach. So for the yearly maintenance, we'd typically need the vehicle for about 2 to 3 hours. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon drop-off?
Morning would be better. Maybe later this week.
Let me take a look. So I've got an opening Thursday morning at 8:30 or Friday at 9. Do either of those work for you?
Thursday at 8:30 works great.
Wonderful. And would you like a loaner vehicle while yours is in the shop?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Got it. I'll reserve a loaner for you as well. So just to confirm, Thursday 8:30 a.m. drop-off for your 2024 Cayenne Coupe, yearly maintenance service with a loaner. You'll get a text confirmation shortly.
Perfect. Thank you, Sarah.
My pleasure, Catherine. We'll see you Thursday morning. Have a great day.